Hey guys, I'm Justin Boggs, the co-founder and chief revenue officer of Marketplace Valet. We have been an Amazon seller since 2006 with over 400,000 reviews as a seller. I'm here to help you learn about Amazon, solve problems, and answer common questions. Today's video is about how to track Amazon FBA shipments. Let's get into it. Once you've created your shipment plan in Amazon Seller Central and your freight forwarder has provided you with the tracking IDs, you'll need to enter those tracking details into your shipment plan. This step is crucial to ensure everything is correctly documented and trackable. Start by logging into your Seller Central account. Go to the Inventory tab and select Manage FBA Shipments. Find the specific shipment you've created and open it. Here, you'll see an option to enter the tracking IDs provided by your freight forwarder. Enter the tracking numbers carefully, as these will allow you to monitor your shipment's progress as it heads to Amazon's fulfillment centers. Once you've entered the tracking information, you can keep tabs on the shipment status within Seller Central. Regularly check back to track the shipment's journey. You'll see updates such as when it's in transit, when it arrives at the fulfillment center, and when it's being processed by Amazon. By staying on top of this, you can ensure that your inventory reaches Amazon's warehouses smoothly and on time, minimizing any potential disruptions to your business. If you have any questions, feel free to check us out at marketplacevalet.com. Like and follow us for more helpful Amazon content. Thanks for watching this video.